In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are inside the correct store before you continue, since the app will be connected directly to that Shopify account. Once you are in the dashboard, look toward the bottom area of the left-hand side and click on Settings. After that, go to Apps. From there, open the Shopify App Store so you can search for the integration you need. In the search bar, type Klaviyo and look for the official app called Klaviyo Marketing Automation. It is important to choose the official listing so you can install the correct integration and avoid setup issues later. When you find the app, open its page and click Install. Shopify will then show you a permissions screen. This page explains what the app needs access to in order to work properly with your store, such as customer and marketing data. Review that information, then click Install App to confirm. Once the app is installed, you will move into the connection process. At this stage, confirm the integration by clicking Integrate. This tells Shopify and Klaviyo to begin linking the two platforms so they can share data correctly. After that, click Connect to Shopify to complete the setup. This connection is what allows Klaviyo to work with your Shopify store for email marketing, customer syncing, and automation features. If the pages take a moment to load, that is normal, so just give the system a few seconds to finish each screen before moving on. It is also a good idea to double-check that you are still in the right Shopify store during the process, especially if you manage more than one. Once the connection goes through, your Shopify store and Klaviyo account should be linked and ready for the next part of your marketing setup. From there, you can continue configuring your email flows, campaigns, and audience syncing inside Klaviyo. That covers everything you need to know.